Alright, a quick video on the 95 Mercury Cougar headlight repair. Of course, anybody with a 94, 95 knows that you can't get these headlights for the factory ones. I did some research. I found a headlight from a 97 Mercury Grand Marquis. As you can see, that's our new headlight. I got a little adjusted on the grill, line everything up, but there's the new headlight. And as we all got these old headlights, you know what they look like right here. Let me show you what we've done to mount them. It's not a direct fit. It will require a little modification. I still got the pigtails on order to wire it up, but I'll take these headlights out. And what you have to modify is this inner hair section here needs to be cut back. Right here. We've got to cut that back. And then we also have to open up some holes. I believe upper right here and lower left here. So a good little tool to do this was with a flapper wheel, which I got right here. And a little handsaw. I think the little handsaw, this is just a sawzall blade that I modified. I ground it back and I ran it in to here. I ran it cut in with here and took a utility knife and I scored down here. And then I took a pair of pliers and just grabbed this and twisted it and it broke out. Then I cleaned it up with my flapper wheel. I took my flapper wheel, went in here like this, and I cleaned up all the rough edges. Then with the new headlight, here's our new headlight here. These back sections want to hit a little bit. So upper right, which would be upper right here, we need to take some of that out. And that was pretty easy. Just took the flapper wheel, worked my way up around in there. And then I believe lower section right here. And the headlight fit right in there. Now I will have to change the pigtails, the wiring, because these are high and low beam, where before you had that marker light here. So we'll have to take this wire here, which is your high and low, and I'll have to splice it and put the high on one side and low on the other. I'm not sure which way exactly yet. I haven't got that far yet. The pigtails, I ordered them on Rock Auto, way cheaper than the auto parts store. Let's see if we can look down in here and we can see where I modified. Yeah, you can see right here I opened this up right here with that flapper wheel, and then on this side I opened up right here. You see some of the plastic shavings. Used it, and the flapper wheel did a real good job. It just zipped it right out of there. And after you cut that other piece out, the center piece out here, the flapper wheel did a real nice job making it, you know, nice and smooth. You know, I just put the drill in here like this, and it did a nice smooth job. But like I said, a majority of the meat I took out with that little saw. Again, I'll show you that. Just a hacksaw blade that I cut. I ground it back, made it thin. Went straight in here. Went kind of an angle here, but I went in here, and then I took a utility knife, which I have right here, and I ran it up and down, I don't know, maybe 8 or 10 times on the inside here. Let me come back a little bit. And I got a good score on there. I just grabbed it with the pliers and twisted, boom, popped right out. And then I took that flapper wheel and just cleaned it up. But I think it's a pretty good fit. I will say that 98 headlights, I looked down, I don't think they were a good fit. How about the 97 headlights? The 98s are a lot cheaper. The 97s, I think with shipping, was about $165. But they're pretty good looking lights, and they come with bulbs. I just ordered the pigtails to match. Of course, I'll solder the wires and I'll use some shrink on them. But I think we're going to do it. Now I'm going to order some these lights here. These are readily available. I think they're about 60 bucks for two of them, and mine are both pretty, especially the one on the other side's in real bad shape. I'll buy new ones. And it should be complete. I'll be ready to go on the road with good headlights. You you know, we'll park it up close to the garage one night and we'll check how they're pointing. But just a quick video. Maybe this is going to help some of y'all out, because man, I tell you, I was a little worried about trying to find headlights. I had a 97 parts car out here, and I really hated to put that header panel on it because I just like the looks of the 94 and 95. Alright, y'all, good luck with your headlight swap. If you like this, you know, share it, like it, and I've got a bunch of videos I'm going to put out about this Cougar. This thing's been modified extensively, and it may help y'all. Alright, I'm Dave, and we'll see you.